Why need DevOps? Software and the internet have changed the world in industry from shopping to entertainment to banking. Now businesses also have to change the way they develop and distribute software to get more benefits, money, and save energy. Talk to business, they need degree difficult, include design benefit for them, about difficult, slow development process. The manual step takes lots of time and effort and can lead to slow and ineffective development. Development systems and processes are not flexible, make it difficult to adapt to change and new requirements from customer or market. Manual software development often leads to many unexpected errors and problems affect end-user experience. Separation between development, operation, and testing teams leads to ineffective communication and delayed response time. Each group has its own specialized knowledge and skill, therefore, they often work independent of each other, and then difficult in imagining and expanding technology infrastructure. It's not effective work. They also want to optimize system performance and use resources in the most effective way, helping to save costs and ensure service stability. They want ability to automate operation process. Automation reduce reliance and manual intervention, reduce error and increase consistency in operation process. Some business decide to have a solution to solve all of those problems. Since then, understand this design, the big guy in industry has gradually formed a solution. The solution solves initial problem, power, and that is DevOps. And DevOps solution has a wide methods that have solved a power business problem and how to implement DevOps. This is a position that solves different problems that dev or ops sector, so it's not viable in the position. Business needs that people with skill, knowledge, and experience understand that of to integrate into the current working system. The person taking on that approach in addition to having knowledge and understand how to operate the position, we have to rely on other tools, but the tools combined together will create CI/CD pipeline. Here, CI/CD pipeline is an automation process to test, build, deploy, and update software continuously automatically. Every time a new change is added to source code repository CI/CD server, auto pull the latest source code and integrate it into main and development plan process. CI server will auto-trigger automated testing such as unit testing, integration testing, and automated testing, then reporting results. In the CD model, deployment as prepared can be deployed manually or automatically as required after everything okay from CI. There are many different tools of each stage of the CI/CD pipeline, as well as the presence of cloud services such as AWS, GCP, Azure, many tools. Therefore, there are lots of things to learn, both new job opportunity and a challenge for future development. Hope we can success together. Please comment about the content you want to help. See you in the next video. Bye bye.